So you can keep this. So
Okay.
I have a bunch of them. Let me get you in the system. We'll run a diagnosis first, and then I'll call you with what it's going to be in cost.
Okay.
Sometimes it could be a loose connection, which would be
all right.
which would be a plus, right?
Right, of course.
So. All right, got all your information. I don't know. Probably be later on today to kind of give you an update on what the status is, and I have the parts. It's just a matter of we got to dive into it. It might take this repair takes about 2.5 hours.
Oh, really?
Yeah, because you got to get the whole thing needs to come apart.
That's great.
Yeah. So, but I got all your information. Here's your ticket for you.
What's your name?
Tim.
Tim.
Yeah.
Sarah.
Sarah, and here's also more information on us.
Okay.
And Sarah, that's the right number to call when it's.
Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah. Thank you, Tim.
You're welcome, Sarah. Thank you. See ya. Yeah, 2 devices, 2 MacBooks came in. This one and this one that just came in. We have a phone that just came in. We have this phone that just came in. I got art here, and so we got like a lot going on. Just because I mean, can you imagine like if I didn't call those people? 3 of those, like we had what 5 calls I think it was. 3 of them already came in. Like, so it just got the day going. Like, so we're like ready to rock and roll. So, it's gonna be. It's already. We're already talking about $1,000 a day. I mean, they got 2 devices there. That's gonna be. This one right here is probably gonna be $500. This one's gonna be like $250. This is $80. I have we're getting ready to sell a phone. I mean, we're not 30 minutes open. Gotta show up early.